Great day, everyone! It is another day to gain some knowledge. This is Teacher Maricar, and welcome to Camplish.com. Today, we will have the preview of another interesting English information or article from this book, English Reading Basic 5. Let's learn and explore English. Are you ready now? Okay, let's start. Today, we will discuss Unit 10. Let's learn about this passage entitled Shoreline. Look at the picture. You can see here beautiful environment. This is the land, and this is the ocean part. So let's find out what is a shoreline. I will read it for you, but first I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words here. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So you have to listen very carefully. Alright? I will start now. Is a shore different from a coast? Yes, it is. The word coast is used when land meets the ocean. The word shore is used when land meets a large body of water, like an ocean or lake. Therefore, a shore can be a coast, because a coast is a kind of shore. The word shoreline describes the line where shore and land meet. How is a shoreline created? It is usually created by waves of water. Rocks and soil from the land also affect the shape of a shoreline. Some areas near an ocean or lake boast beautiful shorelines. Do you know any beautiful shores? And now, let's read this again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin. Is a shore different from a coast? Yes, it is. The word coast is used when the land meets the ocean. The word shore is used when land meets a large body of water, like an ocean or lake. Therefore, a shore can be a coast, because a coast is a kind of shore. The word shoreline describes the line where shore and land meet. How is a shoreline created? It is usually created by waves of water. Rocks and soil from the land also affect the shape of a shoreline. Some areas near an ocean or lake boast beautiful shorelines. Do you know any beautiful shores? Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading. Okay, did you understand the passage? Good. So, let's have some activities here and let's answer it together. Let's start on the first activity, which is select true or false. In this first activity, we will find out if the sentence or sentences are true or false. Are you ready now? So let's start. Number 1. A shore is the same as a coast. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Okay, so let's see why this is the answer. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. Is a shore different from a coast? Yes, it is. How about number 2? A coast is a kind of shore. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Here, a shore can be a coast because a coast is a kind of shore. And how about number 3? A shoreline is created by shadows. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Here, how is a shoreline created? It is usually created by waves of water. Now, we've finished the first activity. Before we proceed to the second one, let's learn more vocabulary words first. That will be helpful in making your own sentences. So let's look at our word box. You can see here words. So I am going to read these words and repeat after me. I will start now. Shore, coast, ocean, shoreline, create, soil, affect, boast. So we can proceed now to the second activity, which is the vocabulary checkup. So you can see here blank spaces. So we are going to find out the correct or the missing words by looking at our word box. So I am going to read those sentences and I will give you time to think about the correct answer. Are you ready now? Let's start. Number 1. He blanked about his new bike every day. Number 2. People are swimming in the blank. 3. Most plants grow best in rich blank. And number 4. He blanked a united Russia. So now, let's answer it. The answer in number 1 is boast. He boasts about his new bike every day. How about number 2? The answer is shore. People are swimming in the shore. How about number 3? The answer is soil. Most plants grow best in rich soil. And last number 4, the answer is create. He created a united Russia. I hope you got it right. So this is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of Camplish.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye.